Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my second online lecture. Okay girls, last time it was the introductory class of physics that in that class I told you about your subject code and the papers, right? In this class we will do a little introduction about physics, that basically what is physics and what will you do, what will you study in physics, right? So let us start. Okay, first of all, what is physics? Basically the physics word is a Latin word or Greek word, okay? And it wasn't the word physics. Later on they changed that to physics. Basically it's a Latin word. So before that it was physica. Physica means knowledge of nature, right? What? The knowledge of nature. Last time I have shown you a video as well. In that video you have seen a lot of things, each and everything that happens in the earth, in the universe, that is mostly due to physics, okay? And the second, and you might heard that physics may mostly you people do calculations, right? So therefore you can say physics is the science of measurement. Like see, bio ke liye you are using the word bio is related to life, but physics is the science of measurement, right? Okay, so now let's move towards the basic definition of the physics, right? So let me tell you the definition of physics, right? Okay, what will you study in physics? Basically, physics is the study of, right? Physics is the study of matter, right? Matter and energy, right? And their mutual relationship. Mutual relationship means कि इनका आपस में, the relationship between matter and energy. You will discuss the properties of what is matter, what are the properties of matter, what is energy, and how they are related to each other, right? So you will do all these things in physics. Now, so definitely when I told you that you will study about matter and energy and their mutual relationship, so the question might become to your mind, okay, what is matter? What is energy? The things that you already have done in class 7, but यहाँ पे you will get the concept कि what is basic, what the matter is, right? So generally you have done this definition of matter कि a thing that occupies space and has weight, that is matter, right? So can you give me examples around you कि what is matter according to that definition, कि वो चीज़ that occupy space, ठीक है, जो कि कुछ जगह घेरती है and has weight, and that has also weight. Definitely the thing that occupies some space, उसका whether that thing is smaller or larger, it will be having some weight according to its size, right? So can you tell me now, look around yourself and अपने दिमाग में दौड़ाए कि आपके around there are how many matters are around you, ठीक है? See, so okay, so let me give you some examples from your class. See this duster. See, when I place it here, so इसने इस space को occupy किया. Has it occupied that much space? ठीक है? So that is matter. लेकिन it has occupied space and definitely it has some weight as well. ठीक है? So this is matter, right? अच्छा, now see this stick. See, it has occupied that much space. See? Right? And it has some weight as well. So this is also the example of matter. See? Okay, this dustbin, it occupied space, so space भी occupy किया and it has some weight, ठीक है? shovel है, ये है, right? See these tables, chairs, these markers, right? ये आपके ink pots है, these keys, my glasses, my laptop, each and everything around you, this lock even, ठीक है? Even see the things that are visible to you, ठीक है? So it means that those all things occupied space and they have weight. These switches, these pictures, see this thing, this picture, this LED, each and everything, ठीक है? That have occupied some space, ठीक है, and have weight. So that is what you called matter. Okay, now the things that are not visible like gases, right? सो मतलब कि दे डू ऑक्यूपाई सम स्पेस, ठीक है, लेकिन दे ऑक्यूपाई अ वेरी 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 लेस स्पेस दैट आर नॉट विजिबल। सो मतलब फिर भी स्पेस तो ऑक्यूपाई किया है ना, ठीक है। सो मतलब कि सो डेफिनेटली दे विल बी हैविंग वेट, सो यू कैन से कि दोज आर मैटर एज वेल, गैसियस पार्टिकल्स, एयर पार्टिकल्स, डस्ट पार्टिकल्स, ऑल कैटेगराइज इन मैटर, ठीक है। सो बच्चे आई थिंक इट विल बी क्लियर। द एरोप्लेन्स है, द कार्स है, व्हीकल्स है, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, ठीक है, दैट ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस and has weight, so that these all are the examples of matter, ठीक है। so I hope that will be clear कि what is matter, ठीक है। now the second thing, so physics में what will you do, you will study about matter, मतलब इन सारी चीज़ों के बारे में पढ़ोगे, राइट, एंड प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ मैटर, कि इन सब चीज़ों की क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टीज़ है, हाउ दे मूव, हाउ द थिंग्स speak, how they propagate or transfer energy, how the things, मतलब things है ना, so things or matter, थिंग्स सारी जितनी चीज़ें हैं, जितने ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, दे आर मैटर। सो हाउ द थिंग्स आर फ्लाइंग, हाउ द ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर स्विमिंग, ऑल दीज थिंग्स, ठीक है। Okay, and the second thing that you will do in physics is energy. What is energy? See, right now I am speaking, so it means I have energy. If you are doing something, okay, so it means you have energy to do something. So basically energy is the ability to do work. If you are able to do anything, ठीक है, you are running, you are eating, you are doing any work, ठीक है, so see it means you have energy. You are coming to school, you are doing your home task, school task, right, so it means के you have energy, energy है आप में, तो मतलब कि you can do each and everything, ठीक है। so that's the general definition of energy. energy क्या है, the things that are able to do work, that is what you call energy. so physics में what will you do, you will study about matter, its properties and energy and the relationship between the two, their mutual relationship, इन दोनों का जो आपस में relationship है वो करोगे, ठीक है। how they are related to each other, what will be their relation to, see relation means के what is my relation to you, I am your teacher and what is your relation to me, you are my student, right, so it means के they are also related to each other, लेकिन how they are related to each other, can you give me an example if you know about matter, कि matter the thing that occupied space and has weight, और energy क्या है, if the thing has ability to do work, it means it has energy, so it means relation हुआ ना, see, simple, very simple. I am speaking right now, so am I a matter, definitely I am matter because I occupied space and I have some weight, ठीक है, and see right now I am speaking, I am doing something, I am making this video, so it means I have energy, ठीक है, मैं अपनी एनर्जी यूटिलाइज कर रही हूँ, साउंड एनर्जी भी है मुझ में, ठीक है, आई एम मूविंग एज वेल, सो आई हैव काइनेटिक एनर्जी एज वेल, ठीक है। सो अच्छा, डोंट बी स्केयर्ड विद दोज एनर्जी, साउंड एनर्जी एंड काइनेटिक एनर्जी, दैट वी विल डू लेटर ऑन, ठीक है। सिंपली आई वॉन्ट टू से के राइट नाउ आई एम स्पीकिंग, सो आई हैव एनर्जी, देखिए व्हेन आई गेट सिक या मेरी तबीयत, इफ़ आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल, सो आई डोंट हैव दैट मच पावर, दैट मच एनर्जी टू स्पीक, सो मतलब कि एनर्जी मेरी कम हो गई ना, ठीक है। सो राइट नाउ आई हैव एनर्जी, ठीक है, सो आई एम मैटर एंड आई हैव एनर्जी, दैट देयरफॉर आई एम स्पीकिंग, देयरफॉर आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो फॉर यू, सो रिलेशन हुआ ना मैटर का, मैं मैटर हूँ एंड मुझ में एनर्जी है, सो देयरफॉर, सो दैट इज देयर म्यूचुअल रिलेशनशिप, ठीक है। आई एम मैटर, आई एम मूविंग, सी आई एम मूविंग, मैं ऐसे ऐसे करके जा रही हूँ ना, सो मतलब मैं क्यों जा रही हूँ, हाउ आई मूव, ड्यू टू एनर्जी, आई हैव एनर्जी, विच एनर्जी, ठीक है, बिकॉज I have taken a proper breakfast, ठीक है। So see, for that, see it gave me a lot of energy, so therefore I can move and I am a matter, so आपस में relation हुआ ना, so this is what you call the mutual relationship, right? Now this is a book, this is your book, right? So see, the book is a matter and I am a matter as well, see I am dragging it, I am moving it, so I have energy to move it, right? So that is the relation. Aeroplane is flying, aeroplane is a another example, you can say aeroplane is the matter, ठीक है, and it has the energy, उसमें फ्यूल होता है ना, फ्यूल उसको एनर्जी देता है, ठीक है। petrol, ठीक है. So it has the energy, so therefore it is flying, ठीक है. So that is the relationship between matter and energy. So बच्चे, I hope it will be clear to you. If something is not clear to you, so there will be a comment box, ठीक है, on your portal. You can leave a comment over there, ठीक है. So right now we will do just that much, ठीक है. Don't be rush. We will do the things slowly and gradually, okay. आराम आराम से करेंगे. और the second thing is that के don't be scared. I am telling you this again and again. डरना नहीं है. If there is any kind of problem, you can ask us through portal, right? Okay. So now, and इसके साथ I will give you homework as well related to that. कि see, I give you the examples. First of all, तो you will do this thing. In your I guess you have a register, ठीक है. So register में make a physics portion in that, और उसमें you will write all those things, ठीक है. What is physics? Knowledge of nature, science of measurements, and the basic definition of physics, right? That is study of matter and energy and their mutual relationship and examples. And below that you will give a heading, and heading के साथ heading क्या होगी? That will be of example. So you will give one example of the matter, energy and their relationship. जैसे कि I have given you a lot of example कि I am moving, so I am matter, and I am moving, so it means I am energy. I have energy as well. So that is the relationship between matter and energy. You can give me, जैसे I gave you the example of aeroplane, बर्ड्स की दे, कार्स की दे, टेलीविज़न की दे, ठीक है, एनीथिंग, लाइट की दे, किसी भी चीज़ की एग्जाम्पल मैटर एंड एनर्जी की, राइट. सो इन वन लाइन और टू लाइन, जैसे कि सी दिस थिंग इज़ मैटर एंड इट इज़ डूइंग दिस थिंग, इट मीन्स इट हैज़ एनर्जी, सो दैट इज़ द रिलेशनशिप. सो इवन यू कैन ड्रॉ द डायग्राम एज वेल. सो वन और टू लाइन में यू विल गिव एनी वन एग्जाम्पल, राइट. सो दैट विल बी योर होमवर्क, राइट. So next lecture में, so that is your first lecture. तो नहीं था, first was the introductory lecture जिसमें I taught you about the subject and the components, ठीक है. And this is now I just told you about what is physics and what will you do in physics, ठीक है. इंशाल्लाह ताला next lecture में we will do about physical quantities. What are the physical quantities? Because this is a science of measurements, ठीक है. So इसमें we will talk about the physical quantities and non-physical quantities and how we will measure that. जैसे कि length है कि we can measure the length. You can measure the length of this board. You can measure the length of your book, ठीक है. So it means कि that is a physical quantity, right? The thing that you can measure, ठीक है. So that thing is called quantity. और कौन सी quantity कहलाती है? That is called a physical quantity. Like see, you can measure time. Can you measure time? Yes, you can measure time. So it means कि time क्या चीज़ है? Time is the quantity. कौन सी quantity है? It is a physical quantity, right? So I hope that will be clear to you, ठीक है. And you will be cleared about your homework as well. You will do all these things in your copy, right? And what will you do? Just you will give example. Acha, let me show you how will you give example. See, you will give a heading of example and यहाँ पे you will write in 1 or 2 lines example के about matter and energy and how they are relating, what is their relation to each other, ठीक है. So in that example you will clearly show that, and it will be far better if you show that diagrammatically as well. डायग्राम भी बनाए साथ में, ठीक है. So उससे आपको और भी ज़्यादा क्लियर होगा, ठीक है. So mostly the students don't know about physics definition because they are saying physics definition is too difficult. Actually बच्चे they are making ratta. Don't make ratta. Just make the thing clear कि फिज़िक्स क्या है? इट्स द स्टडी, किस चीज़ की स्टडी है? ऑफ मैटर एंड एनर्जी. व्हाट इज़ मैटर? आपको मैंने बता दिया, द थिंग दैट ऑक्यूपाइड स्पेस. एंड व्हाट इज़ एनर्जी? इट इज़ द एबिलिटी टू डू एनी वर्क. इफ़ यू आर एबल टू डू एनी थिंग इट मीन्स यू हैव एनर्जी. एंड देयर म्यूचुअल रिलेशनशिप, उनका जो आपस में रिलेशन है, राइट. सो दैट इज़ टू ईजी. इसको आप समझोगे, सो दिस इज़ वेरी ईजी. आप नहीं समझोगे, आप लोग इसको रट्टा लगाओगे. अ थिंग दैट ऑक्यूपाइड स्पेस, अ थिंग occupied space, a thing that occupied space. So what does that mean? आपका अपना भी सर दुखेगा और मेरा भी दुखेगा और आपको समझ भी नहीं आएगी, राइट. सो इंशाल्लाह If you are clearing the concept from the very start, so it will be very easy for you. आपको in the start I told you कि physics is not a thing to be scared of. Okay, आपने इसको सीखना है. यू विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट्स. आपने इसको सीखना है, समझना है, एंड देन यू विल लर्न इट. ठीक है. सो इंशाल्लाह इट इज़ नॉट अ डिफ़िकल्ट सब्जेक्ट, इट इज़ वेरी इजी सब्जेक्ट. राइट. ओके गर्ल्स, सो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. फॉर टुडे दैट इज़ एनफ. ठीक है. स्टे ब्लेस्ड. अल्लाह हाफिज़ एंड डू योर होमवर्क एज वेल. ओके. अल्लाह हाफिज़.